the metal tip into the buckle. Tighten stop pulling on the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, lift the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. Even if the sign is off, keep your seatbelt fastened in case you experience unexpected rough air. Federal regulation requires all customers to comply with crew instructions, posted placards, and lighted information signs. Smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes or any smokeless product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying rest on smoke detectors. This aircraft has 2 forward doors, 1 on each side, 4 window exits over the wing, and an additional exit at the back. The forward doors are equipped with detachable slides that can be used for flotation. All exits are clearly marked with exit signs and instructions for operation. In an emergency, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit. Please locate the nearest exit and keep in mind they may be behind you. In the event of evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind. Carrying baggage will slow the evacuation. It is unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panels inside the laboratory and the emergency seat will open, revealing oxygen mask. If this happens, reach up and pull a mask towards you until the tube is fully extended. If you're wearing a mask or face covering, remove it before placing the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing even if the mask is not inflated. Secure your own mask before helping others. If needed, life vests are located under or between your seats. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then open the pouch. Pull the vest over your head, fasten the straps to the front of the vest, and pull on the strap to adjust the vest securely around your waist. After exiting the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest, or manually inflate by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. Seat cushions can be used for flotation. Instructions for operation are outlined on the safety information card in your seat pocket. Refer to the safety information card for instructions on how to use the life vest for children who weigh less than 35 pounds. If necessary, wear the strip life vest for in-lab children. Before we take off,